Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azan, I race Auto. Today we'll be working on a 2009 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is the key of the customer. The remote is not working, so he wanted a new key made. So we got this key. So we are going to program it. As you can see, it's not programmed. And when I slot it in, you can see. So let's start the programming process. Automatic selection. It's a Fobik key, 2009 Grand Cherokee, keyless entry system. Switch the ignition off and engine on. The engine is off and the ignition is on. Now we have the code 6269. We'll do an IMO status scan. Yeah. Let's see the error code we have here. Remote keyless entry fob, battery low, key not program. I guess this key not program was when I inserted the key that was the new key that was not programmed into the system. So let me erase these codes. So let us just line key. How to process the different steps, enter key, number of keys, read pin code, stuff. So let's enter system. To learn program keys, you need to finish erase key first. So key has been successfully programmed. Number of keys, 4 keys. Initially, step 1, you can see the number of key is 4. Now the number of key was 5. During the programming process, I was using my phone. A call came in and the camera stopped recording. But you can see from the process that initially when we started, you can see number of keys was 4. After programming completed, it was 5 keys. So this is the key that has just been programmed. You can see you can start the car. This is the former key. That too can equally start the car. So I'll test the remote function. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Please like, share my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit on the notification button for more DIY content. Thank you for watching.